We all have them, those incredible, unique qualities that make us who we are. Our strengths are our superpowers, the driving forces behind our accomplishments and joys. Yet so many of us go through life without truly recognizing and embracing these powerful assets. We get caught up in self-doubt, comparing ourselves to others and focusing on our perceived weaknesses. But what if we shifted our perspective? What if we dared to discover and harness the incredible power within us? Personal strengths are more than just skills or talents. They are the inherent qualities that energize us and allow us to thrive. These strengths are the core of who we are, the driving force behind our passions, and the fuel that keeps us going even when times are tough. They are the things we do effortlessly, the activities that leave us feeling fulfilled and accomplished. When we engage in these activities, we often lose track of time because we are so immersed in what we are doing. This state of flow is a clear indicator that we are tapping into our personal strength. These strengths can manifest in various ways, from creativity and problem solving to empathy and leadership. For some, it might be the ability to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions. For others, it might be the capacity to understand and connect with people on a deep emotional level. Recognizing these strengths is not about boasting or comparing ourselves to others. It's about self-awareness and self-acceptance. It's about acknowledging our unique qualities and understanding how they contribute to our overall well-being and success. By identifying and embracing our personal strengths, we can live a more authentic and meaningful life. We can set goals that align with our true selves and pursue paths that bring us joy and satisfaction. In doing so, we not only enhance our own lives, but also inspire and uplift those around us. So take the time to reflect on your unique set of superpowers and let them guide you towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Self-awareness is the foundation of personal growth. It's about taking the time to understand our thoughts, emotions, values, and motivations. When we are self-aware, we can identify our strengths and weaknesses, recognize our triggers, and make conscious choices that align with our values. This journey of self-discovery can be both exciting and challenging, but it is essential for unlocking our full potential. Our past experiences hold valuable clues to our strengths. Take some time to reflect on moments when you felt truly accomplished and fulfilled. What were you doing? What skills and qualities did you utilize? These successes, big or small, can provide valuable insights into your inherent strengths. Don't dismiss any achievement as insignificant. Every success story holds a piece of the puzzle that makes up your unique set of strengths. Step 2. Seek feedback from others. This step is crucial in understanding yourself better and recognizing your strengths and areas for improvement. Sometimes, our strengths are more apparent to others than they are to ourselves. We might overlook our own abilities because we are so accustomed to them. Reach out to trusted friends, family members, colleagues, or mentors and ask for their honest feedback. These individuals can offer a different perspective and highlight qualities you might not have considered. What do they see as your greatest strengths? Their observations can be eye-opening and provide a clearer picture of your unique attributes. What do they think you excel at? Understanding how others perceive your skills can help you leverage them more effectively in various aspects of your life. Their perspectives can provide valuable insights and help you see yourself in a new light. This newfound awareness can be empowering and motivating. Be open to their observations, even if they surprise you. You might discover hidden talents and qualities you never knew you possessed. Embrace this feedback as a tool for personal growth and self-improvement. Take the time to reflect on the feedback you receive. Consider how you can apply this new understanding to your personal and professional life. Use this information to set new goals, improve your skills, and build on your strengths. Remember, feedback is a gift that can guide you towards becoming the best version of yourself. By seeking and embracing feedback, you open the door to continuous growth and development. This journey of self-discovery can lead to greater success and fulfillment in all areas of your life. So, take the initiative to ask for feedback. Listen with an open mind and use it to propel yourself forward. The insights you gain can be transformative and help you achieve your full potential. Step 3. Embrace new experiences. Stepping outside of our comfort zone can be daunting, but it's also an incredible opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Trying new activities, exploring different hobbies, or taking on challenging projects can reveal hidden strengths and passions. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. Each experience, whether successful or not, provides valuable lessons and helps us uncover our true potential. Step 4. Identify your values. Our values are the guiding principles that shape our decisions and actions. When we live in alignment with our values, we feel a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Take some time to identify your core values. What matters most to you in life? How do these values show up in your actions and interactions? Understanding your values can provide clarity and direction, helping you make choices that align with your authentic self and leverage your strengths effectively. The transformative benefits of leveraging strengths. When we recognize and leverage our strengths, we unlock a world of possibilities. We experience increased confidence, motivation, and resilience. We approach challenges with a growth mindset, knowing that we have the inner resources to overcome obstacles. Our relationships improve as we learn to appreciate our own strengths and those of others. And most importantly, we experience a deep sense of purpose and fulfillment, knowing that we are living a life true to ourselves. Cultivating your strengths. Practice makes progress. Like any skill, our strengths need to be nurtured and developed. The more we use our strengths, the stronger they become. Look for opportunities to apply your strengths in your personal and professional life. Challenge yourself to step outside of your comfort zone and take on new responsibilities that allow you to utilize your unique talents. Remember that growth is a continuous journey, and there's always room for improvement. Overcoming obstacles, turning weaknesses into opportunities. No one is perfect, and we all have areas where we can improve. Instead of viewing our weaknesses as limitations, let's reframe them as opportunities for growth. By acknowledging our weaknesses, we can seek out support, develop new skills, and turn our challenges into strengths. Embrace the journey of continuous learning and self-improvement, knowing that every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Conclusion: embracing a journey of self-discovery and growth. Discovering and embracing our strengths is a lifelong journey of self-discovery and growth. This journey is not a straight path, but a winding road filled with both challenges and triumphs. Each step we take, whether it's a small victory or a significant milestone, contributes to our overall growth and understanding of ourselves. It requires courage, vulnerability, and a willingness to challenge our limiting beliefs. We must be brave enough to face our fears and doubts and open ourselves up to new experiences and perspectives. Vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to our strength and resilience. By confronting our limiting beliefs, we break free from the chains that hold us back and open the door to endless possibilities. But the rewards are immeasurable. The sense of accomplishment and fulfillment that comes from overcoming obstacles and achieving our goals is unparalleled. The joy of celebrating our successes with loved ones and the deep connections we form along the way enrich our lives in ways we never imagined. When we tap into the power within us, we unlock our full potential and create a life filled with purpose, joy, and authentic connection. By recognizing and harnessing our inner strengths, we can pursue our passions and dreams with confidence and determination. This not only leads to personal fulfillment, but also inspires and empowers those around us. So let's dare to embrace our strengths, celebrate our uniqueness, and step boldly into the world, knowing that we have everything we need to make a difference. Each of us has a unique set of talents and abilities that, when embraced and nurtured, can contribute to a better world. By being true to ourselves and sharing our gifts with others, we create a ripple effect of positivity and change. Let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and growth with an open heart and mind, ready to embrace all that life has to offer.